Hi everyone, hope you all are good. Welcome to the English Academy. In this video, we are going to cover the 8th chapter of the novel The Railway Children by Edith Nesbit, and it is going to be as interesting as other ones. So let's find it out what is the chapter all about. But before moving forward, I want you to have a quick recap of the last chapter, The Valor, in which we came to know that children were being recognized publicly for their act of bravery, and their act was to save a train from a catastrophic position or situation by stopping it with the help of showing red petticoats because there was landsliding, and if they could not stop the train, so it was going to be a very bad incident in which many lives might possible would be taken. So we are moving forward towards chapter 8 that named as the amateur fireman. Students, the word amateur has got two pronunciations. In American it is pronounced as amateur, and in British pronunciation it is pronounced as amateur. Okay? So we will pronounce it as amateur. Now the question is, what does this word mean? It Amateur is a common misspelling of the word amateur. An amateur is a person who does an activity for fun, joy, or as a hobby rather than for money or as a job. I guess the meaning of this particular word is clear to you. I repeat, a person who does an activity for fun, joy, or as a hobby rather than for money as a job, right? So, this chapter is all about the amateur firemen. Let's move forward and find it out what is this chapter all about. In chapter 8 of The Railway Children by Edith Nesbit, titled The Amateur Fireman, the children shared tea with Mr. Perks. He is the porter, if you remember, and learn he doesn't celebrate his birthday. While visiting the canal, they confront a rude bargeman. When the bargeman's boat catches fire, the children act heroically as amateur firemen to rescue a sleeping baby. Chapter breakdown and explanation is here. Number one is tea with Mr. Perks. The children, Bobby, Peter, and Phyllis, have tea in the porter's room with Mr. Perks. They talk about Bobby's new buttercup brooch and discover that Mr. Perks has stopped celebrating his birthday because life is too hard. The children feel sad for him and decide they want to do something special for his upcoming birthday. Conflict at the canal. The children go down to the canal bridge and to talk and fish. They run into an angry bargeman, Bill, who yells at them and tells them to leave. Peter stands up to him bravely, refusing to be bullied or chased away. Then comes the fire and the rescue. The bargeman and his company leave the boat unattended to go a nearby pub. Suddenly, the barge catches fire, showing immense courage and quick thinking. The children become amateur firemen. They sound the alarm and rescue a helpless baby and a dog trapped inside the burning boat. Bobby runs to the pub to fetch Bill, resolution, and friendship. Bill returns just in time and is deeply grateful to the children for saving his baby and his livelihood. The hostility completely vanishes, and Bill offers him his friendship and a future ride on the barge. This chapter highlights themes of community, growing maturity, and the children's expanding circle of friends. Students, let me simplify it for you. In chapter 8 of the Railway Children, the children enjoy a cozy tea with Perks the porter, during which they discuss his birthday and reflect on their growing friendship with him. And they came to know that Perks has been stopped celebrating his birthday because there are so many tensions in the life, and that is why. Inspired by the idea that it seems unfair, nobody celebrates Perk's birthday, Bobby proposes that they should plan something for him. As they go to a nearby canal bridge to talk, they engage in charming banter and explore the beauty of their surroundings while planning for their friend's celebration. While fishing by the canal, the children encounter a barge where a barge owner, known as the bargee, confronts them for being in his domain. Tension escalates when Peter stands up for their rights to be there, but the bargee grabs him by the ear, twitching teaching Peter an important lesson about authority and confrontation. Peter's bravery shines through as he calmly speaks the truth, and despite feeling a bit scared, he remains determined not to back down. With some anxious movements, Bobby and Phyllis stay ready to support their brother. The tension eventually resolves as the barge catches fire, prompting the children to spring into action. Bobby and Peter work together to rescue a baby trapped inside, reflecting their character and bravery. They display quick thinking and teamwork in a moment of crisis, successfully getting the baby and a dog out of danger. Afterward, they rush to inform the barge's owners about the fire. The chapter concludes with the children being commended for their courage as they are invited to enjoy a day on the canal with the barge's owner, further solidifying their sense of friendship and community with those around them. So, in this chapter, we came to know that children were having a cup of tea with Mr. Perks, where they came to know that Perk has been stopped celebrating his birthday because of the ongoing tensions in his life. But children, being compassionate and kind, thought that they should do something for their friend in order to celebrate his birthday. They were at the canal in order to have conversation on this topic. They were fishing as well, but what happened, there was a barge owner, a boat owner you can say. He started to scolding children that this is his area and nobody else is allowed to do fishing over there or even sit nearby. So they, and then the barge owner left the boat in order to go to a club you can say. Then what happened, eventually the boat caught the fire and there was a baby and a dog inside the boat. So children, being very kind again, planned something and became the amateur firemen, and they started to put off the fire. And they also called out the barge's owner when he saw that they saved his baby and dog from the fire and also his boat. So he became friends of them, and this have a very fine conversation which with each other. In this way, the friend circle of the children is also increasing. I hope the chapter is clear to everybody. Till the next video, take a very good care of yourselves. Bye bye.